Hey, Jeremy here with the Weekend Handyman. I am at the GEI show at STIHL with Jeff. And Jeff's going to talk to us about this little guy right here. We shot a couple of pictures yesterday about the STIHL, the handheld chainsaw. And this is it. Jeff, take it away.
Hey, Jeff Cartwright Landscaping out of Richmond, Virginia. We got the STIHL GTA 26 right here. This is called a multi-cut pruning system. It's not necessarily a chainsaw. They don't refer to it as a chainsaw. It's referred to as the multi-cut. You got a 4-inch bar here. Got a little case in the top. Take this off. It's a 10.6 lithium battery powered machine. Battery comes off. It comes with this nice carrying case here. It will come with a charging station. You have oil that comes with it as well. The case is nice because you can pack it up, throw it in your car, go out to job to job. Right here you have a battery indicator. You have, full battery right now. This right here is the safety. Safety's up, saw goes on. Safety's not up, not on. You have a tensioner right here. You have a safety clip right here. This is for user protection, but if you look on the back side, this is also for when you're trimming close branches here. It protects adjacent branches from getting nicked with the chainsaw. So that's great right there. With this tensioner, if you want to get a new chain on here, chains are $14 a piece approximately. You can take this piece off, the starburst, take the starburst off, take the tensioner off, this panel comes off, new chain on, put it back together, you're good to go. So I look at this right here. This is a serviceberry tree, and I've made some cuts here. If I'm doing like 2 or 3 cuts like that, I'm gonna be using loppers. I'm probably gonna be using a handsaw, maybe hand pruners, but multi-cut, that's what this is geared for. That's the niche that this tool has been made to fill. Multi-cuts, if you have like 15 of these trees, or if you have hollies you're looking to limb up, or a pine tree that you're looking to limb up, multi-cuts, 20 cuts, 30 cuts. So I'll show you how well this cuts right here. 2 hands on here, right in the top, for just safety reasons. You're dealing with a chainsaw, so be cognizant of that. Safety up, on, I'm gonna come in here. Pretty clean cut right there. I'm gonna go down a little bit further. Really clean cut for a small chainsaw. This will cut up to about a silver dollar size. All right, run time, about 2 hours, fully depressed. Maybe you get a little bit more if you're on and off. Batteries take about 2 hours to charge. So in a nutshell, that's where we're at. Any questions? Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you,
appreciate
Jeff.
it.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.